Here we go. Kayo quad. Cranks but won't start. Things to check for. Sometimes when you take this out, that's the kill rope. In case you get tossed off the quad, it kills the engine. Some people just put this on like that. It's going to crank and not start because it's not in completely. Do you see that? So what you want to do is push it, twist, get it in there all the way. Okay. It sits tight right there. See that little nipple on the inside? It needs to depress that red switch. So don't just push it like that. You need to push it in, twist it. There. Now it's completely in. I would say don't pull that out unless you really do fall. So take it off the keychain and hook it to your vest. Okay, next thing. I just learned this as well. Key on. Parking brake set. Okay, in order for this to restart. Oops. Okay. Let's say the kid jumps off. Kill the engine, you slide this. Boom. You go run, you come play. You go back, you hit the starter button to start it up. It won't start. What the heck? The kid gets all mad and goes crying to mom and dad. Stupid quad. This is all the kid has to do. There's a reason there's an arrow on there. Push it in. Everything resets. Now start it. Boom. No start until you push this in. Resets. Boom. So sometimes we overthink the little things like that when it has an arrow on it telling us, hey, maybe you should push it in. It's all good. Kayo 125.